Here's a tour of the lifts at the Supersam shopping center. Here's the first lift. Cab view. Hello, Mr. Camera. Here we are on -1. There's another lift right there which we'll maybe take a ride on, if there is availability. It's a Kone Ecodisc, I think, 21 persons, 1,600 kilograms, 2015. She's a beauty. After that, we're gonna go back to -1, and then we're gonna go to the next lift, which I think is locked. Piętro piąte. Service lift, which we'll now take a ride on. And last time I got stuck on this floor, so we're just gonna go into the straight lift. But this was a service lift, also a Kone. It's sadly locked, so we cannot take a ride on. Goes to the centrum of the administration. And here we are at ground floor. Nice. And here's the next lift that goes to the center, which is locked sadly. As you can see, it's locked. Previously it was unlocked and you can ride on it. Moving on to the next lift. Here's the next lift that goes to the toilets. And it's another Kone.
Jeszcze nie. My na 6. 4. 4.
And now here we are, now alone. Have you? This lift also does a floor 1. Let's go to -1. I think there's another service. Oh no. Yeah, it is. There's another service lift. So 4 lifts are usable and 4 of them are and 2 of them are usable, 2 of them are service lifts. I think that one is also locked too. But we don't know. The reason why I'm gonna stop on ground floor, because let's see if there's a secret lift in there. One doesn't serve, which is really weird. And let's move on to the next lift. Here's another locked service cone at the toilets. Another one. Let's move on to the next one. And here's the last lift, which goes to Buda. Sadly, the Buda is locked. And there's another cone eco disc. So that's it. And that's it for the lift tour of the Galeria Supersam. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.